Hey guys, so Credit Suisse shares plummeted to another all-time low of just 1.65 Swiss francs, which is around $1.8 on Wednesday after its largest shareholder, Saudi National Bank, said it would not be able to purchase more shares of the company. The 30% drop has been coupled with widespread fear that Credit Suisse could be on the brink of default. Saudi National Bank is barred from investing more into the struggling bank due to regulatory constraints, Saudi bank chairman told on Wednesday. It currently holds almost 10% stake in the firm. The news only adds to widespread industry fears pushing back stocks down this week, following the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank last Friday. After American bank stocks suffered on Monday, multiple European banks faced declines on Wednesday, including France, Societe Generale, and Germany's Commerzbank. Since last year, Credit Suisse has been battered by regulatory compliance failures and scandals, strategic overhauls, weak earnings releases, and macroeconomic pressures. In October, the bank's 5-year credit default swaps began trading at 10-year highs, meaning investors were seeking protection against a potential default. CDS swaps skyrocketed to new highs again on Wednesday, with the market pricing in a 40% chance of default for the firm. The bank's stock had already fallen to the new lows on Tuesday when Credit Suisse published its annual report identifying material weaknesses in its financial reporting and disclosure controls just 1 month after posting its worst annual loss since the 2008 financial crisis. Nevertheless, chairman of Saudi National Bank told Reuters he was happy with Credit Suisse turnaround plan. "I don't think they will need extra money. If you look at their ratios, they are fine," he said, and they operate under a strong regulatory regime in Switzerland and in other countries. In an interview on Wednesday, Credit Suisse CEO Ulrich Körnen said the bank has a very strong capital and liquidity basis. Silicon Valley Bank CEO made similar claims last week, telling clients to stay calm before the bank collapsed the next day. When discussions about a potential failure for Credit Suisse began last year, analysts likened the idea to a repeat of Lehman Brothers' 2008 fallout. Greg Foss, a Bitcoin enthusiast and high-yield credit trader, risk manager, and analyst of 30 years, said that Credit Suisse is a systematically important financial institution and is currently in the midst of collapse. "There's a run on the bank," he said during an interview on Tuesday. "The wealth division is losing assets in magnificent fashion. I'm not saying they're insolvent, but I have seen enough banks in the situation that are insolvent." When Silicon Valley Bank collapsed due to a bank run last week, the Federal Reserve stepped in by Sunday to bail out all of the bank's depositors in order to stem market contagion. On Wednesday, the Financial Times reported that Credit Suisse was appealing to the Swiss Central Bank for vocal support in favor of its financial position, and Swiss Central Bank recently confirmed that it will support Credit Suisse if necessary. What do you guys think? Is Credit Suisse going down? Leave your comments down below. On the other note, if you are going to buy or trade crypto, then check the links in the video description as you can get up to $38,000 deposit bonus. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.